Hi, I'm Don Bell, Education and Knowledge Technologist here at Ricoh. In this instructional video, I'm going to show you how to replace the special 5th color toner in your Pro C7110SX. You can print out a detailed guide on Ricoh Business Booster and follow along. Everything you need is in your 5th station replacement kit. This kit contains a toner subhopper unit with a subhopper plate, a developer unit, toner cartridge replacement tool, and a TCRU kit customer wrench. Okay, so the first thing we're going to have to do is turn off our Fiery. We're going to be on our main screen here, and you have a Fiery button right here. Then we're going to go to the top, and there's another Fiery button over here. And now we have a button that's over here that says Restart Fiery. So we'll hit that. And the bottom box over here says Shutdown. So now we'll shut down our Fiery. Our next step is going to be taking out the white toner. So we're going to open the door here. You can see the white toner cartridge here. And you have a green lever that's right here. We're going to turn it to the left. And you hear a click sound. Pull out the bottle and place this on a clean flat surface. Now what we're going to replace that white toner bottle with is the toner cartridge replacement tool, which is this. Once it clicks in, close the door and head to the control panel. On the control panel, we're going to now log into User Tools. You'll have to log in. By default, the login username is admin, lowercase, and there will be no password unless you have set one up otherwise for your company. Once you get the next screen, select Machine Maintenance. Then you'll want to choose the menu option that says Select Color of Special Toner. The default is set to white, and we're going to go ahead and switch it from white to special color. So what's happening now is the toner hopper is turning on and taking all that toner that's in that tube and bringing it back to your toner hopper here so you don't lose any toner. It will then say Applied, which is when you will back out of this screen. And we're going to go ahead and turn off the printer. Once the printer is completely shut down, our next step is going to be taking out the toner subhopper using the TCRU kit customer wrench provided in the 5th station replacement kit. Good thing about this wrench, it only opens up the black screws, which are the customer replaceable screws. So I'm going to take out this plate right here. So there's 2 screws. You have one right there and one right there. Once those screws are out, we're going to take this cover off. We will now take out the PCU, which is 1 screw right here. That comes out like that. Now we're going to slide out the PCU. So there's a purple button right here you push down, and this is going to slide out like this. Now we're going to get the subhopper plate, and we're going to put that on top. I'm going to slide the PCU back in where the end of that plate is underneath your subhopper. This will prevent toner from falling down into the machine. All right, next we're going to take out the toner subhopper. To do that, first we're going to take out the tube over here, and we're going to place that on this metal protrusion that's right over here. Next, we're going to take out this connection right here. On some models, you're not going to have this connection here. The connection will be in the back. You won't be able to see it. So, but in this model, they have the connection right here, which we'll take out. Just like that. And I'm going to take out the 2 screws with the arrows. One's going to be right here, and the other one's going to be right there. And now we can take the toner subhopper out. You take it and you just place it on the subhopper plate and place it to the side. Now we have our PCU out. What we're going to be replacing is your charge roller, your cleaning unit, which is over here, and your developer unit with the ones that are in your 5th station replacement kit. So our first step is going to be taking out our charge roller. There'll be a purple plate right here. This thing pops up. It's going to go just like that. This pops out just like this. I'm going to take this and put it on a clean flat surface. Next, we're going to remove our cleaning unit. We're going to remove the drum, slide it over like this. I'm going to squeeze like this. I'm going to take this purple handle, flip it right down like that. The cleaning unit is going to click right out and come right out in your hands. Again, place this on a clean flat surface. All right, so our next step is going to be taking out the drum. Okay, you have a handle right here that's on the drum. You're going to lift it up like this. Sit the drum down on the flat surface of the holder so that the actual drum does not touch anything. Because the drum is organic, it cannot be exposed to too much light. We're going to put a cover over the drum. Our next step is going to be taking the developer unit out. So with that, it sits on 2 pins that are right there, and there's other 2 pins over here. So you grab it over here, and you grab it like this, and put it onto a flat surface. Now that we've taken everything out, we're gonna go and replace everything in a reverse order using the components on the specialty color. Grab the new develop unit from the kit. So there's 4 arrows, there, 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 and there. Those arrows are gonna line up on these pins that run on your rails. That one lines up there. You'll know if it's correct. You can slide this in, and it slides in easily, just like that. So now we replaced our developer unit, we're gonna put our drum unit in. So I'm gonna place this in here. Our next step is gonna be our cleaning unit. That'll slide in right over here. I'm going to turn it like that. Again, turn the little handle like that, and that locks that into place. Now our last piece is going to be our charge roller. There's going to be a star that's right here, and that's going to line up with the star that's right there. So you're going to slide the drum across like that, the handle. This is going to slide in right where the star is. You're going to take your handle right here, and you're going to slide it in here until you hear it click, and that locks that into place. So now we're going to replace our sub hopper. We're going to take our sub hopper plate, place that in here. Slide that back, just like that. Now we're going to get our specialty color sub hopper. Going to take that. There's going to be 2 holes in the back, and they're going to line up with the pins that are sitting right there. So we're going to take this, put it in like that. You fill it, click right in. We're going to get our TCRU kit wrench. Replace the first screw, which is right over here, right next to the purple arrow. I'm going to take the second one and replace that next to the purple arrow that's right there. Okay, now all we have to do is we're going to take the tube off the metal protrusion, off like this, place that back onto the toner hopper. Again, make sure that tube is nice and tight, along over there. And then if you have that connecting that's in the front, you're going to take that and now connect that. Now we take the toner sub hopper plate away and slide the develop unit back in until you hear it click. Now we can place our groove for the PCU, which goes right there. Now all we need to replace is the cover that goes on top of there. So you have 3 pins, and they go into these 3 holes that are right there, it clicks right in. Again, we have 2 screws. One is going to go there, and one that's going to go there. Now we've replaced everything in the PCU unit. All we have to take out is the toner cartridge replacement tool, which is over here. Again, take the green lever, turn it to the side, you hear it click. This is going to slide right out. Now we're going to replace that with your specialty toner. Again, it's going to go just in like this. Now all we're going to do is close both doors, turn on the Fiery, and then turn the machine back on. On the control panel, we're going to now log into user tools. We're going to go to adjustment settings for skilled operators. We'll log in, admin lowercase, hit OK. There's no password, click on OK. Go back to the adjustment settings for skilled operators, select machine image quality, and select adjust image quality density /DEMS. Make sure to select image density adjustment, manual execute, and execute DEMS, and press OK. Now that the settings have been applied, now we can back out of user tools. We're going to go and hit back, and back again. Now exit, and exit again. Now we're back to our main screen. Now you can start making prints with your specialty color, and thanks for watching.